Andy's Christmas Chronicles, take 1.
All right. So this is that motor that I rage built last night. This is a P52 cases with a Malossi kit, custom cut FA50 head. I got the treats variator on here. It's got about 14 grams in it. I have the Malossi intake for 21 PHBG. Just spigot mounted out the side here. This will probably get better. I just kind of wanted to test and see if it would work. I've got the stock reed block ported with Polini reeds, 0.35 reeds. Stock CDI. The motor is rebuilt with new bearings and seals. I did reuse the stock crank because it was buttery smooth. We're going to see if it blows up. I don't think so, but we will find out. Got the Simonini pipe, new tires and tubes, one for the skinny boys on this one. Also did the one-way bearing install on this, so no more decomp. Replaced the rear lights with LEDs. Did keep the stock wiring, so let's see if she starts. Watch my turn the gas on. Oh yeah, there's also some Polini green springs in the clutch. So yeah, gonna have to wait till spring to break it in, but that's that.
And a PSA to everyone, by the time this video posts, it will be Mr. Andy's birthday, and he'll be very old, so wish him a special happy birthday.